Number 1. 1949 Dodge Coronet, $4,000, El Cajon, California. This 1949 Dodge Coronet represents a very honest post-war survivor with its original straight-six engine and classic 6-volt electrical system still intact. The fact that it retains original documentation and California black plates adds serious collector appeal. While it currently runs, it requires a carburetor rebuild, fuel pump work, and a full brake system overhaul, making it a non-drivable project for now. Structurally, it is impressive with solid floors, trunk, and minimal surface rust, which is a huge advantage for restoration. Overall, this is a well-preserved foundation for someone looking to revive a true late 1940s American sedan. Number 2. 1971 Ford F-250, $2,250, Denver, Colorado. This 1971 Ford F-250 is a rugged classic pickup powered by a desirable 390 cubic inch big block V8. It runs well, which is a major plus at this price point, but will need some body work to bring it to the next level. These trucks are known for their durability and simple mechanical design, making them excellent restoration or work truck candidates. With a clean title and solid drivetrain, this is a budget-friendly entry into classic truck ownership. Number 3. 1987 Chevrolet Cavalier Convertible, $3,500, Blue Lake, California. A rare one-owner example with only 43,000 miles, this 1987 Chevrolet Cavalier Convertible offers originality and low mileage appeal. It has been garage-kept, but mostly unused for over a decade, meaning it runs and drives, but will likely need recommissioning. While not traditionally considered a high-end collectible, clean, early compact convertibles are gaining interest. This is a simple, affordable classic cruiser with potential. Number 4. 1982 Volkswagen Diesel Rabbit Pickup, $1,800, Fullerton, California. This Volkswagen Rabbit Pickup is a non-operational project best suited for an experienced enthusiast. The diesel engine was reportedly strong before the transmission failure, but several critical components are now missing, including the fuel injector pump and brake-related parts. The body is described as solid with minimal rust, which is valuable for a Volkswagen of this era. These compact diesel trucks are becoming increasingly collectible, but this example will require significant time, parts sourcing, and mechanical expertise. Number 5. 1988 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible Z52, $8,950, Corvallis, Oregon. This 1988 Corvette stands out with its rare Z52 performance handling package and unique manual 4+3 transmission setup, offering both performance and highway efficiency. With 60,000 miles and extensive recent maintenance, it appears to be a well-sorted driver. The interior is in excellent condition, and the car delivers respectable fuel economy for a V8 sports car. This is a strong value for someone wanting a classic Corvette that can be driven and enjoyed regularly. Number 6. 1987 Nissan King Cab SE V6 Pickup, $6,600, El Cajon, California. A highly original one-owner truck with under 100,000 miles, this 1987 Nissan pickup is a standout survivor. Known for reliability, the 3.0-liter V6 and overdrive transmission make it practical even today. The truck has been well preserved with no rust or accidents, and includes original documentation, which is rare. This is an excellent example of a classic compact pickup that blends usability with collectability. Number 7. 1974 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, $6,000, Fairfield, Vacaville, California. This Karmann Ghia is a running and driving project with strong engine compression and several recent mechanical updates. It can be driven as is, but will need cosmetic restoration, including paint and interior work. Rust is present but appears manageable, which is typical for these cars. With its iconic styling and growing collector interest, this is a solid entry-level classic sports coupe project. Number 8. 1967 Plymouth Satellite 2-door hardtop, $9,000, La Mesa, California. This 1967 Plymouth Satellite has been significantly upgraded, featuring a rebuilt 318 V8 and modern electronic fuel injection system, greatly improving drivability. Additional upgrades like disc brakes, improved suspension, and steering components make it a much more usable classic. It runs strong and has a solid foundation, though it still needs some finishing touches. This is a great blend of classic Mopar styling with modern reliability enhancements. Number 9. 1955 Cadillac Series 62, $12,500, Woodside, California. A beautiful example of mid-1950s luxury, this Cadillac Series 62 offers classic styling, smooth V8 performance, and a largely complete package. It runs and drives well, with functional power features and new white wall tires enhancing its presentation. Minor flaws like windshield cracks and slight interior wear are present, but overall, it remains a very attractive driver quality classic. This is a strong value for a vintage Cadillac with presence and comfort. Number 10. 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 XL, $24,000, Snohomish, Washington. This Galaxie 500 XL is a well-preserved two-owner car with a long history of careful ownership and garage storage. Powered by a reliable 289 V8, it offers smooth cruising and classic full-size comfort. While not numbers matching, it has been well-maintained and presents beautifully with a quality repaint and rust-free body. This is a high-quality driver that reflects the golden era of American full-size cars. Number 11. 1950 Desoto Custom Club Coupe, $14,000, Farmington, New Mexico. A nicely restored example featuring a rebuilt flathead 6 engine with very low miles since completion. The unique tiptoe shift, semi-automatic transmission adds historical interest and driving character. The car retains its 6-volt system, but benefits from subtle upgrades like electronic ignition. With a strong drivetrain and excellent interior, this is a distinctive and uncommon classic ready for enjoyment. Number 12, 1964 Buick Skylark Convertible, $14,000, Queen Creek, Arizona. This Skylark Convertible stands out for its extremely solid, rust-free Arizona body and excellent original interior condition. It is well optioned with power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. However, the engine currently has a knocking issue, which will require mechanical attention. Despite that, the car's structural integrity and originality make it a very desirable restoration candidate. Number 13, 1981 Pontiac Parisienne Coupe, $12,500, Kelowna, British Columbia. A clean and well-maintained full-size coupe, this Pontiac Parisienne offers smooth V8 performance and classic early 1980s styling. It has received significant investment, including new tires, brakes, exhaust, and carburetor upgrades. The car runs and drives perfectly and carries collector status, making it easy to own and insure. This is an excellent turnkey classic for someone seeking comfort and reliability in a vintage package.